Good morning, children, and welcome to my maths class. And today we are going to study maths chapter number 4, that is subtraction. So, children, what is subtraction? Subtraction क्या चीज़ है? Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction का मतलब है take away, निकाल लेना. Taking away of objects from a collection, the collection. And the answer in subtraction is called the difference. For example, in the above picture, there are 4 umbrellas. As you can see in this picture, there are 4 umbrellas. In 4 umbrellas, and and one umbrella is taken away. Now there are only 3 umbrellas. So the process of taking away from a collection is called subtraction. We called this 4 umbrellas. One umbrella is taken away, remains 3 umbrellas, and we write this as 4 minus 1 equal 3, and it can be read as 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. This is the sign of the subtraction. The term used for subtraction is minus, and the symbol used for subtraction is this. So children, from this example, what we learnt that subtraction means taking away. It is also called the difference between two numbers. And the term used for subtraction is minus, and the symbol used for subtraction is like this. Now children, have a look on the points to be remembered while doing subtraction. कि जब आप subtraction करो तो you have to keep in mind some things. आपको कुछ बातें अपने ध्यान में रखनी हैं while doing the subtraction. And the points which you have to remember, कौन कौन से points आपको ध्यान में रखने हैं? First one is the subtraction. We write the largest of the two given numbers first, and then the smallest number is written with its ones below ones, tens below tens, hundreds below hundreds, and so on. Means while doing the subtraction, always put the largest number at the top and the smallest number at the below. ग्रेटर नंबर आपने टॉप पे रखना है एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर यू हैव टू पुट बिलो, और आपने स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर को क्या रखना है? उसके नीचे रखना है. एंड स्टार्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन फ्रॉम वंस कॉलम, एंड ऑलवेज स्टार्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन फ्रॉम वंस कॉलम एंड देन मूव टू टेंस कॉलम, हंड्रेड्स कॉलम, थाउजेंड्स कॉलम एंड सो ऑन. बट ऑलवेज स्टार्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन फ्रॉम द वंस. आपका सब्ट्रैक्शन जो है वो हमेशा वंस कॉलम से ही स्टार्ट होगा. देन लेट अस हैव अ लुक ऑन द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. सब्ट्रैक्शन की प्रॉपर्टीज कौन कौन सी हैं? फर्स्ट वन इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ नंबर इन सब्ट्रैक्शन कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड. मीन्स the order of number in subtraction cannot be changed. It means that we can subtract 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. But if I change the order, for example 5 minus 2 पहला था, if I change the order 2 minus 5, now can I subtract 5 from 2? No. It means order of number in subtraction cannot be changed. And the second property is when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Means अगर आप एक 2 नंबर सेम है और बीच में माइनस का साइन है, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 0. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 42,567 minus 42,567. When a number, this is the number, when this number is subtracted from this number, the difference will be 0. And the next property is when 0 is subtracted from any number, then what happen? The difference is the number itself. Means the number the number remains unchanged. Let us have a look on the example. This is the number 33,276 minus 0. Means if we subtract 0 from this number, then the answer will be the number itself. जो आपका नंबर है वही आपका आंसर भी होगा. So 2 properties you have to keep in your mind, that when a number is subtracted from number itself, the difference is 0, and when 0 is subtracted from any number, the number remains unchanged. When we subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, the answer we get is called difference. When we subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, suppose I am subtracting 3 from 5. Now 3 is smaller number and 5 is bigger number. If we subtract smaller number from bigger number, the difference will be, the answer which we get is called difference. If I subtract 5 minus 3, then the answer will be 2, and that 2 is called the difference. The number from which a smaller number is subtracted is called minuend. So children, what is minuend? Minuend क्या चीज़ है? The smaller number which we subtract is called minuend, and the number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend. Means, for example, you have given 2 numbers 5 and 3, and you have to subtract 3 from 5. Now here you are given 2 numbers 5 and 3. So which one is bigger? 5 is bigger. It means 5 is the minuend, and the 3 is the smaller number. It means 3 is subtrahend. And after subtracting both these 2 numbers, I get the answer 2, and the answer which we get after subtracting both numbers is called difference. So the terms used for subtraction is difference, minuend, subtrahend. Minuend is the smaller number which is subtracted. The smaller number is called minuend, and the larger the number from which smaller number is subtracted, the larger is called minuend, and the number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer which we get after subtracting both the numbers is called the difference. Let us have a look on the example. For example, you have given these 2 numbers 9,857, and the second number is given 4,667. Now first of all I will find out which one is the bigger number. Since 9 is greater than 4, that is why 9,857 is the greater number. So children, as we studied in our previous slide, that the larger number is called minuend. So 9857 is called minuend, and 4667 is the smaller number. Out of these two numbers, this one is the bigger number. That is why this number is called minuend, and it is smaller than this number. That is why this number is called subtrahend. And after subtracting both the numbers, we get this answer, and the answer which we get as a result of subtraction is called difference. Now let us move to our today's topic, that is subtraction without borrowing of 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. While subtracting, you have to keep few steps in your mind, and the first step is in the given two numbers. For subtraction, you have given two numbers, and in the given those two numbers, find out, first step is find out which is greater and which is smaller. Step number 2, arrange the numbers in column, putting the greater number on the top and the smaller number below that. Means जब भी आपको subtraction करना है, always put the greater number on the top and the smaller number below that. Step number 3, subtract ones from ones. Means always start subtracting from ones column, and then subtract ones from ones, tens from tens, hundreds from hundreds, and finally thousands from thousands. So these are the 3 steps which you have to follow while subtracting 3, 4 or 5-digit numbers without borrowing. Let us have a look on the example of subtraction without borrowing. Suppose you are given these two numbers and you have to subtract these two numbers. First of all, step number 1, find out which one is the greater number and which one is the smaller number. So since 6 is greater than 3, which means 6754 is the greater number and 3422 is the smaller number. Now first of all, I will arrange them in columns, and before arranging them in columns, I will write down the place value chart: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And now I will place the larger number on the top and the smaller number below the larger number. And now move to this step number 3, that is always start subtracting from ones column, then move to the tens column, then hundreds column, and then thousands column. Let us start subtracting from ones column. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then now subtract tens from tens, means 5 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 3. Now subtract hundreds. 7 hundreds minus 4 hundreds, which means 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now subtract thousands. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So children, this is the answer which we get after subtracting both these two numbers. Here children, this number is the bigger number, that is why this number is called minuend, and this one is the smaller number from this number, that is why this number is called subtrahend, and the answer which we get as a result of subtraction is called the difference. So children, in this example, this number is minuend, this is subtrahend, and that is difference. Now children, let us have a look on our next example, that is subtract 4521 from 6852. First of all children, we will find which number is greater number. Since 6 is greater than 4, that is why this number is greater number, and greater number is called minuend. So I will put this number on the top, and that is the smaller number. This number is going to be subtracted from this number, that is why this number is called subtrahend, and this number we will put below the minuend. Now let us start subtracting. Always start subtraction from ones column. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now subtract tens. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now subtract hundreds. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now subtract thousands. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Thus 6852 minus 4521 is equal to 2331, and the answer which we get after subtracting both these two numbers is called the difference. Let us have a look on our one more example, that is find the difference between 4061 and 4572. Here children, before subtracting, always remember find out which one is the greater number, which one is the bigger number. As the first number are same, that is why we will move to second number. Second digit is 5, and here the second digit is 0. Since 5 is greater than 0, that is why this number is greater than this number, which means this number is called as minuend, and this number should be placed at the top of the place value chart, and this is the smaller number, which means it is called as subtrahend, and we will put it below the minuend. And now let us start subtracting. Now move to our step number 3, that is always start subtracting from ones, then tens, then hundreds, and then thousands. So subtract ones. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now subtract tens. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Now subtract hundreds, which means that is 5 minus 0. Now as we already studied that when 0 is subtracted from any number, the number remains unchanged. आप अगर 0 को किसी भी नंबर से माइनस करोगे तो आपका नंबर जो है वो चेंज नहीं होगा, वो वही रहेगा, which means because 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing, which means answer will be 5, and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let us recall this property. If a number is subtracted from the number itself, the answer will be 0. Because both these numbers are same, that is why we will write down here 0. Thus children, 4572 minus 4061 is equal to 511, which is called the difference between two numbers. Thus the difference between these two numbers is 511. So children, let us revise once again what we studied today. We studied about the subtraction. Subtraction means taking away of objects or things from collection. It is also called the difference between two numbers. The symbol used for subtraction is minus. The term used for subtraction is minus, and the symbol used for subtraction is minus. And the answer of subtraction is called the difference. When a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. Then we also studied when 0 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number itself. We also studied we cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. Then we also studied that subtraction can be used to find out what was taken away and how many more are needed. So children, now you have to do exercise 4.2 in your notebooks based on our today's topic, subtraction of 4-digit and 5-digit numbers without borrowing. Thank you children.